How to see hidden information of Facebook Marketplace. Let's get started. Launch your Facebook. Here we go. You will land to the home page. Now head towards the Marketplace tab. After you land to the Marketplace, now head towards the item for which you want to see the hidden information. Just open it. After you open up the product, at the bottom of it you will find different options. Click on the option of share. Now go ahead and click on the option of copy link. After you copy the link for the item, just close this. Launch your preferred browser. Now paste that copied link over here and then search for it. And just with that, you'll find all the hidden information for that specific item. This way you can easily see hidden information of any product on your Facebook Marketplace. By applying the same process, you are able to see any hidden information of any Facebook Marketplace item. Well, that's a wrap for this video. This is how you can easily see hidden information of Facebook Marketplace. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.